we are working on the Lexus, but it's general for any cars that they carry the disc. So as I explained for you in the part 1, as far as we see the disc wear out, this side wear out more than the back, we realized the caliper doesn't work properly and the sliders here, they're seized. If you look at the sliders, it's a little pistons go forward and backward, so they're seized up, and I couldn't push the pistons, there's a pistons back. So as you see, the pads this side, the outer pad, look at the thickness of the pad, and the inner one. So now you notice why the noise was there, wasn't working properly and always engaging, and every time you brake you make a noise because the piston didn't go back. So if you get the pad off, you can see the pads, how thick is it. There's a metal bit, that's a friction area. Let's push against the disc, little lip here, just a bit. Look at the other one, almost nothing left. And if you look at the, I'm sorry, I must get a torch here. See, look at the lips on the side of it. This side and this side, it's quite deep. So in this case the disc has been wear out, so need a new disc, but you can get away with just changing the pads. But as the disc deeper this side, your pad's gonna reach to the lip quicker, so you need another changing the pads. So as I told you, you put the caliper there so to avoid damaging the brake hose. In this case, maybe we must remove the pistons from the housing, clean it, or we get a clamp, we push the piston back because the new pads is not going to fit. So if you got a little bit experience on the cars, so you can do it yourself, otherwise you know you need a mechanic. So to remove these pistons, it's not that easy, but to putting it back is a little bit more difficult because the o-rings inside. You can find a kit, caliper kit, you remove this piston, they clean it with a really fine sandpaper in circular motion, not the straight, otherwise you know that oil is gonna leak, the brake fluid gonna leak. And these sliders, we're gonna release them, clean them and put them back with the new pads on this case. So maybe next pad changing, we need a new disc with it. But you can see how bad is it. This one and the inner one. So the sliders didn't work. So the pistons was pushing more towards the inner pads than the outer one. So guys, see you in part 3 when we get the pads. I'm going to show you how to change the pads and how to clean this one, release this one, and the pistons. See you later guys, bye bye.